Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss file tagger and we will also see how we can use this file tagging them in such a way that their search would be much quicker and more efficient. So lots of talk now. I will show you how this will going to help us. So first open your file explorer, go to your pictures folder. As you can see, I have these three pictures in my picture folder. What you have to do, just simply go to your view options here, click here and click on this detail pane. Select any of the pictures. You will see right here all the details. Now I want to add a tag here in this picture. I will simply go here and click on its properties. It will open up one property window here. Go to details and simply click on this tag. I want to give a tag here like local river. Once you have given this tag, you, you can either click outside or you can add another tag also like so in this way you can add many tags and then you can hit anywhere. So I have given the here this photograph 4-star rating, hit apply, click OK. And please remember this tag feature doesn't works for all types of files, like especially it doesn't work with word file like doc and with some image file also, but most of the pictures that are there in your file explorer should have this feature of adding tags and ratings as well. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.